Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I am your English teacher, Miss Hafsa Babar. Today I am going to discuss unit number 6 of OPE of class 5. And today our topic is triathlete. Triathlete is a sportsman who swims, runs, and cycle. Now I'm going to give you some precise summary of the unit number 6. In this page there are two characters, one reporter and second one is Wayne Boyle. Wayne Boyle is a triathlete and reporter is going to take interview of Wayne Boyle. We are going to represent reporter with R and Wayne Boyle with WB. How long have you been a triathlete? I took up the triathlete 2 years ago, so I am still improving. Is the triathlete hard to learn? WB, you have to be very fit, but if you keep on practicing, you will find the 3 sports become easier and easier. अब जो इंटरव्यू ले रहा है रिपोर्टर वो उससे पूछ रहा है कि ट्रायथलीट एक इजी या हार्ड वर्किंग काम है. वो कहता है ये इजी है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, ये प्रैक्टिसेस पे डिपेंड करता है. रिपोर्टर, व्हाट इज योर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम? आपका ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम क्या है? आई डू 2 hours ट्रेनिंग ईच डे एंड 6 days अ वीक, इनके हफ्ते में 6 दिन और डेली 2 घंटे. I practice swimming, cycling, running and also do fitness exercises. It's quite hard work. Reporter, what are the triathlon distance like? अब वो पूछ रहा है कि जो एथलीट है उसका डिस्टेंस मैक्सिमम कितना होता है 3 स्पोर्ट्स के लिए. Then he said, WB, I competing at the senior youth level because I'm still 14. So we swim 200 meters. We cycle 12 kilometers and we run 3 kilometers. That's for enough. How many prizes have you won so far? Reporter से prizes का पूछते. Then he said, I came 3rd in Sydney school championship in my first year and I was runner-up last year. This year I want to win. What advice would you give to the other young people who want to be a triathlete? I would tell them to start with swimming. If they can't swim well, they will never do well in the triathlete. It is hard to study and train at the same time. Not really. I managed to fit. वो उससे पूछ रहा है कि ट्रेनिंग और लर्निंग दोनों साथ साथ करना easy है या मुश्किल, हार्ड है. He said not, it is not difficult. वो मुश्किल बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I was used to learn in morning, then in early morning, then I go to school in morning, and in afternoons and evenings I take my training. Or then reporter asks, it is expensive? Yeah, or do you need a lot of equipments? If you take the WV said, if you take up the triathlete seriously, it gets more expensive than you think. You will need 4 pairs of trainers each year, and a good bike is going to cost a lot of money. Or besides triathlon, what other sports do you like? The WV said, I like rock climbing. Finally, what's great about your country? That's easy. The WV said, Australia has wonderful weather. The sea near Sydney is always warm. It doesn't rain much. The sky is nearly always blue. It's the perfect country for the sports. It is a very easy and interesting thing for the WV. Okay student, in this way you can complete the reading of the unit number 6. Now move towards the new words in this chapter which will that will help you to understand the lesson in a more comprehensive way. Class 5 unit 6 triathlete. Words: triathlete, equipment, seriously, advice and distance. Triathlete, a person who swims, runs and cycles. Equipment, item, seriously, considered manner. Advice, guidance. Distance, space. Now after knowing the meaning of this new word, you are able to make your own sentences. I hope this introductory video will help you to understand the concept of this lesson and summary as well. Okay, thank you. Done for my side. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Safe lives.